We Malaysians spend about 44 hours in traffic. That's approximately 2 days in a month. Yup, you heard that right. We should all focus on making our time in the car more enjoyable and worry-free. How do we do that? Well, the first thing that comes to mind is a handphone charger. I know some of you might say, my car comes with a wireless charger. But hey, what if you have more than one phone to charge? All you need is this Baseus car charger that is able to convert the 12-volt auxiliary outlet in your car into a fast charging port for your phone.
Shopee.
The Baseus car charger is going for 39 ringgit and 90 cents each.
It comes with both Type-C, USB, and what? Dual USB?
So convenient, right?
Now the second thing that comes to mind is comfort. Well, I know most car seats are already comfy, but with the addition of these adjustable car seat headrests, it will take it to another level. Especially when you're traveling long distance with your loved ones. But the car seat headrest is not exactly for the driver, unless you're planning to, doze off while driving. But jokes aside, this headrest is only 50 ringgit on Shopee.
And it comes in black to match the interior of any car.
So don't think so much and get one now. Speaking of car interiors, the next thing you want to do is to ensure the cleanliness of your car at all times. Yes, you know it. We're talking about a portable vacuum cleaner. We think every car owner should have one. This portable vacuum cleaner by Baseus is small yet powerful.
It fits nicely in your glove compartment, and the sleek design allows you to look chic even when you're vacuuming.
Wow, whole langa, right? Hey, no, I mean the vacuum. So, this Baseus Car Vacuum Cleaner is 259 ringgit and only requires a Type-C charging port. So easy! Now that your car is clean and comfortable, the next thing you want is peace of mind when you're on the road. Let me present to you the Z40 Dashcam by DDPAI. With this dashcam, you can be reassured that your journey is well documented in case anything happens. The DDPAI Z40 Dashcam is only 179 ringgit. It offers a front and rear camera with a Wi-Fi feature that connects to a phone app. It also supports 24-hour surveillance with a special hardwire kit.
Link down below.
If the dashcam doesn't give you peace of mind, this multifunctional jump starter kit definitely will. With this, you don't have to worry about your battery dying on you when you travel long distance. In fact, there's more up its sleeve. This kit also comes with a Tyre inflator that you can power up to inflate your tires in case of emergency. Not to mention, you can also use this kit as a power bank.
Oh my god, how cool is that?
With a price tag of just 113 ringgit and 80 cents, this multifunctional jump starter kit is a definite must-have. And there you have it, people. 5 of the best car accessories to get this 2023. You can click on the link below if you want to find out more. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more on-the-go updates.
You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you want more fun Shopee content.
Okay, see you next time, Shopee Shopeers. Poncha lah!